Hi guys, let me share how we helped a client boost their conversions by 35% without rebuilding their site. No massive redesigns, no weeks of downtime, just smart targeted fixes that actually worked. Let me show you how we did it in just 30 days. So, if you are running a growing business, you know how vital your website is. But here's the truth, you don't always need to start from scratch to see better results. I'm Parth Gaurav, founder of Digi Hotshot, and today I'm breaking down how we boosted a client's website conversions by 35% in 30 days. So in this video, I will not be able to specifically show you the site yet because of our contract with the client, but I can show you the results. I can share the results what we got with them. So our client was struggling with forms that ask way too much information, pages that leave users wondering what's next, confused users leaving the site, and slow load times that frustrated the visitors. These small issues added up to lost sales every single day. And initially they thought that they needed a complete redesign, but we had a better way. So what we did was we suggested them to do like a step by step because they were already on Webflow. So we can just work through it. So basically when we first took on this client, I think 2 years back, we got that client just for the Webflow development. So we were the ones that were responsible for their Webflow development. So we knew that their foundation of Webflow development is solid. Now they reached out to us for the design as well. So we thought that what we can do is we can just build on top of what's already there. So what we decided was we'll do everything in stages. But before diving right into the nitty gritty of the stuff, let me first explain why not the whole redesign in detail. So a full redesign would mean at least 2-3 months of work. Even on Webflow, depending on the site size, it would take time and tens of thousands of dollars in cost and risking what's already working on their site. Instead, our approach gave them results in days, not months, improvements every single week, and safe and tested changes that they could trust. Here's exactly what we did and why it worked. First, quick wins that make big difference. First, button colors and contrast. So we added like 60% contrast ratio between buttons and background, which made those CTAs pop up the page. Research show that this simple change can boost clicks by up to 75%. Then next up what we did was form optimization. We cut down form fields from 12 they were using earlier to just 5. We kept only what they really needed. And here's why. Every extra form field drops conversion by 4%. And we removed all the friction that scared people away. Next up is image optimization. So we switched everything to WebP format right inside Webflow. You can actually convert these images. You can actually compress these images. Even the static images, even the CMS images with one click, you can compress all of them to a WebP format. And this, making files inside WebP format made files 25 to 35% smaller, pages loaded 2 seconds faster. And here's a fun fact for you. Just 1 second of delay can kill 7% of your conversions. So make sure that your images are optimized. Then next up is navigation and user flow. So they already had Hotjar installed on the site. Here's where it gets interesting. We use Hotjar to watch how real users struggled. We saw people clicking on non-clickable elements, found users getting stuck in navigation loops. We spotted where people gave up and left the page, and we fixed every friction point we found. So what we did was we simplified the menu structure in that we grouped similar items into a drop down. So ultimately, basically creating a mega menu kind of setup inside their site. So they have like a lot of pages that they needed to link to. So this mega menu allowed the menu to be shorter in the first view, and if they hover on a specific item, it would just expand into a drop down which will have those specific navigation elements. So basically grouping down similar pages into one group, and that's how we simplified the whole menu structure. Then we added clear next steps everywhere. So what it did was it basically guided those users naturally to take next action what we wanted to. And guess what? 76% of the users say finding what they want is their number one priority. And that is what a lot of sites are missing. You want to make sure that you guide those users to the main goal of the site. So these targeted changes led to 35% more conversions, 20% lower bounce rate and zero time during fixes that you can obviously think of when you have a site on Webflow. Now you might be thinking like, this sounds great, but when you are approaching an agency, how do we scope all these changes, and what if we need like more adjustments, and how do we control the budget, and what if changes take longer than expected? And we understand that these kind of things don't have a specific set of scope of work, and that's why it's very difficult to budget those things. That's exactly why we created our unlimited plans. So we have like two specific plans. One is unlimited Webflow development plan, and second one is unlimited design plus Webflow development plan. So in Webflow development plan, we have like all the technical optimization, all the Webflow stuff for a one fixed monthly price, no scope confusion, no surprise bills. And in our unlimited design and development plan, which you can by the word that you can by the name of that plan, you can assume it has both the design and Webflow development part, and what everything is there in the Webflow development plan, it's there in this one as well. Same monthly cost plus unlimited design and Webflow development work. And for both these plans, you can pause and resume these plans anytime. So let's say you use it for 10 days and you say that your needs you don't have a need right now. You can pause your plan for after the 10 days. So you will still have like 20 days remaining for the rest of the plan. So maybe you can reuse that. Maybe 2 months later your need arises. You can resume your plan and start availing our services. And these plans like specifically help in when you don't have a defined scope of work and you don't want those surprise bills at the end of the month from your agency or from the freelancer. And here's another cool part to it. Each of these plans comes in two different speeds. So we have like a single stream plan and we have a double stream plan. In single stream plan, it is basically one task at a time thing, and double stream is basically two parallel tasks for faster results. And all these tasks on these plans, we deliver these tasks within 3 days. All the work within 3 days. Now here's something special for you. For the next 10 days, we are running the Black Friday double stream power up. This is our offer that we are running for the next 10 days. So starting today until 29th of November, both of our double stream plans are available at single stream prices for your first month. Both these plans include 72-hour delivery guarantee, dedicated Webflow expert and designer based on your plan, and priority support, 4 hours response time on weekdays. Right now you must be feeling that this is a steal deal, but wait for it, I have like more stuff for you. Apart from these benefits, you'll also get these exclusive bonuses. The AI blog generation engine, which will help you create blog posts with the help of AI in your tone, in your voice, based on your target audience, and the content will sound just like you. It will basically help you create the first draft very fast, and then you can iterate on top of it and launch it. This will again adding content, adding more blog posts helps in SEO. Then second is you will get our high converting landing page framework guide. Third thing that you will get is our image format selection and optimization guide. As I said, like image optimization is really crucial. Then I have like more stuff for you. If you are the first 2 clients that opt for these plans, you will get an early bird bonus. You can choose either 1000 off for your second month on these unlimited plans, or if you choose to opt out from these unlimited plans and want to have a more hourly support, we have like 15-hour support package. So with this, you can either choose to go with that 1000 off, or you will get our 15-hour support package at a special rate. Plus, as I said earlier, you are protected by our 72-hour speed guarantee. If we don't deliver any task within 72 hours, excluding obviously weekends, that month is free, no questions asked. So you want these kind of results for your site? Book a priority strategy call now by clicking the link below. We'll review our current site, identify quick wins, create an action plan, and see if we are a good fit for each other. But remember, we have like only limited spots, only 4 slots available total. This whole offer ends on November 29th, 2024 at midnight EST. So lock in before 2025 price increase. And again, as I said, first 2 clients get that extra flexibility bonus. So don't wait. Once these slots are gone, they are gone for good. And based on our past offers, those early bird spots usually go within 48 hours. So if you want that extra 1000 off for your second month or special rate for our 15-hour support pack, don't wait. Click the link below to book your call now. Once these slots are gone, they are gone for good. So thank you so much for watching this video. Make sure to like this video and share it with your friends who might benefit from this offer, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this, for more Webflow stuff like this. Thank you so much.